If you replace your existing metal door with a new metal door, is anybody even going to notice? Hey, Billy Newman coming back at you from GarageSkins. Hey, we get the question all the time. Why wouldn't I just replace my existing garage door with another metal garage door? Well, I'm going to answer that question and more. And after this video, you're going to get a chance to see how you can win your very own GarageSkin system. All right, as we start to get into home improvement season, we start to ask ourselves, what are some of the things I can do to improve the look of my house, to give my house a facelift? Well, one of the things we look at is our garage door. And so we ask the question, and we get this question all the time, should I just replace my garage door with a metal garage door? Or should I paint over the top of my existing garage door? And I don't think you want to settle for either one of those options. I don't think you're going to get what you're looking for. I think you want your house to pop. And these GarageSkin systems, these things change the whole look of your house. And as you drive through your neighborhood and you start to look at the houses and the garage doors, you start to say, I want something that's going to stand out a little bit more. And we have a lot of different options, a lot of different varieties, and they go right over the top of your existing garage door, right? So we have a carriage house theme. We have a very modern theme. We have a lot of different looks. And as you maybe live in one of those neighborhoods where all the garage doors look the same, be that one that stands out. Be that one that pops. And we have that solution for you. In addition to that, one of the fastest ways to improve the value of your house is to give your house that ultimate garage door upgrade. So for a limited investment on your end, you're going to get maximum return. Another reason you wouldn't want to just replace your existing metal door with another metal door is because they are not energy efficient. These GarageSkin systems, not only are they beautiful, they will fit right over the top of your existing garage door, and they have insulating properties, which is going to keep you warm in the winter and cool in the summer. And last but not least, let's talk about how easy these GarageSkin systems are to install. These are lightweight magnetic panels that will go over the top of your existing garage door. You'll be able to do this yourself in 30 to 60 minutes. So if you want to win one of these GarageSkin systems, we have a promotion going on for a free giveaway. So make a video, post it to your favorite social media platform, and the rest of the details are below. Until then, we got you covered.